Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my second Causebox. This is the summer box. Here's what the box looks like this month. It is very heavy. Okay, the first thing I see in here is the booklet. Every time I see this, I've seen this booklet before. Every time I see it, I think it's Silicone Lids. Just something about it reminds me of her. Okay, so we'll keep that handy. Okay, the first thing in here I see is this picture. They're all their pictures, or their postcards. They're postcards, excuse me. I have framed my last one, but I'm gonna have to get... I'm gonna have to get some more frames so I can keep up with Causebox's postcards. Okay, the first thing I see in here is a 6-pack of reusable silicone stretch lids. Very interesting. They're like, you can put them over bowls. It says place half the lid over one edge of the bowl, start on the side closest to your body, stretch the other half away from you, inching your way around the bowl, stretch the pressed top of the lid while pulling the tab to create a vacuum seal. Stretch the other half away from you, inching your way around the bowl. That sounds difficult or confusing, but that's very interesting. If you didn't have like a lid for something, cool. And this was, okay, those are $8. Very reasonable for $8. Not as much as I thought it would be. Okay, the next thing in here, I see the earrings. I think that was the Kathleen lookalike. She was wearing them. This is from Matr Boomy. M-A-T-R. There's like not another vowel in there, so I'm confused. But these are super cute. I love tassel earrings. I have a whole bunch of them. I've even been tempted to buy some more from Amazon before, so these are really cute. Let's create a world that's more vibrant, kind, and connected. Fringe earrings. Matr Boomy partners with artisans in India to create modern designs for using traditional techniques. $40 value. So there's those. Okay, next is a reed diffuser, white tea and ginger. Constant fragrance, each purchase gives back. I have used these kind of like stick diffusers before, but I don't know if the sticks weren't long enough and it just didn't diffuse anything, or maybe it just wasn't a very good diffuser. I don't know. This one's very light, fresh, not overpowering. I like this smell. I think I picked out this smell. And the diffuser is valued at $35. Maybe I can put that up here or something. Okay, next is from Grace and Stella. Say hi to hydration, hyaluronic acid. I just got this in a FabFitFun actually, so, but you can never have too much hyaluronic acid. So this comes at a $25 value. Okay, next in here from Pepper Plus Vetiver, we have a set of 3 nesting bowls. There's salad, cereal, and dessert. I guarantee that their dessert bowl is not near as big enough as what I want the dessert bowl to be. You know, like soup bowls that are like this deep or whatnot? That is my ice cream bowl. Okay, let's see. What are they? I don't know which one this is supposed to be. But there's this one. It's kind of a grainy color. Maybe they are saying that this is a... Oh, I bet it's like a... like this is like your little salad, like not like a green leaf, but like some sort of other fancy salad or whatnot. Then this is a cereal bowl. This is also not big enough, but it has the green and blue mixture on it and in it. Or no, it's just blue on the inside. And then this one kind of looks more tealy, like they mixed the light green and the blue together. Like, yeah. It goes like this. And I bet this is like your dessert bowl to like serve out of for other people. I think this would be a great ice cream bowl. Don't you think? And these bowls cost $36. Wow. Okay, we have 2 more things. This is from Dr. Rogers. Restore Healing Balm. Use on chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. Wow, this is like all around uses. Nails to aid in healing. On the beauty hacks one, it has like eyelashes. Like, are you supposed to put it on your eyelashes as like a growth helper? I feel like that's pretty risky. Let's see. This little guy is $30. My goodness. Okay. Keeping it simple with only 3 ingredients. Great for healing fresh chapped lip, fresh tattoos, scrapes, and more. Yep, they keep on talking about different things. What are the 3 ingredients? Oh, here it is. Castor seed oil. Castor seed oil. Doesn't castor seed oil make hair grow? Glycerin and hydrogenated castor oil. I thought hydrogenated things aren't good for you. Like hydrogenated vegetable oil or something. Like you shouldn't eat that, I thought. Okay, and the last thing in here is from PMD. This is their smart facial cleansing device. And I just got the navy one of these in a BoxyCharm like in March, I think. But I think this guy's going to stick... I think he's going to stick around for a while because he is beautiful. He's a very nice color. He's coming off more blue on screen, but he's more green. Colors are weird. So, yes, or my mom could use it or something like that. I like looking at it. It's pretty. It's a nice color. And this little PMD guy is valued at $99. So, after adding in the $99 for the PMD Clean, this box comes to a value of $273. I really liked everything that we got. Some of these things I won't be able to use until later because of room, because of just reasons, but I am excited to get a chance to use these different things. So yeah, thank you for watching my second Causebox unboxing video. I have really been even though this is my second one, I really enjoyed it. It's a little bit different than FabFitFun. I feel like you get some different things than them. So please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Bye.